It's important for all of us to conserve water. One place we can use less is in the bathroom. But if you've looked at some low flush volume toilets, you may have wondered if they have the strength to do the job. That's why I'd like to show you the American Standard Studio Concealed Trapway Dual Flush Toilet. This toilet is exceptional from the inside out. It has maximum flushing power. We don't recommend actually flushing these items, but they certainly demonstrate the power this toilet delivers thanks to its siphon action jetted bowl, oversized 3-inch flush valve, and fully glazed trapway, which allows waste to exit the bowl quickly and smoothly. Even with all that power, this toilet still conserves water, which saves you money and protects our environment. Our innovative Studio Dual Flush system allows you to choose either a light flush using a mere 1.1 gallons of water or a standard flush using 1.6 gallons. Simply press the button on the left for the light flush, the one on the right for the heavy flush. You'll spend a lot less time cleaning this toilet too, thanks to its Power Wash rim, which scrubs the bowl with every flush, a large water surface area, and its exclusive EverClean surface. This permanent finish inhibits the growth of stain and odor-causing mold, mildew, and bacteria to help this toilet stay cleaner longer. It's an American Standard exclusive. Its smooth-sided design also helps cut down on cleaning time. That smooth contemporary design conceals the trapway. It has no lumps and crevices to clean in and around, which means you can keep it shining with just a quick wipe down. The Studio is a right height or tall height design. Its bowl sits higher off the floor, at a more comfortable chair height. That means you don't have to bend as far, reducing stress and strain. The elongated shape of the bowl and seat also make this fixture more pleasant to use. It also comes in a round front bowl, if your space is limited. This model comes equipped with a durable, slow-close seat. That's right, no more slamming lids. The seat and cover close slowly, which eliminates the possibility of pinched fingers, a real concern with small children in the home. The seat also has an easy release button. Just press the button to remove the seat for cleaning. Then pop it back on and you're good to go. If you're building or renovating, be sure to look at the beauty, power, and efficiency of the American Standard Studio Concealed Trapway Dual Flush Toilet. To learn more about the different styles in the complete studio collection of sinks, baths, and faucets, visit AmericanStandard.com. Discover for yourself why American Standard is showing up in more and more homes.
Hi everyone, Mike Marbach here, and this is the Santa Rosa toilet from Kohler. Compact in size, this Santa Rosa toilet is perfect for those who want to fit an elongated toilet into a small space. Its one-piece design offers a distinct high-end look, and without tank seams, it's extremely easy to clean. Best of all, it's loaded with power. Rather than a standard flapper valve, this Santa Rosa toilet features a patented flush engine. There's no flapper, which means no leaks, no problems. It's just full-out power. Plus, this toilet provides 50% more rinse than previous Kohler models, giving you a cleaner bowl after every flush. Now let's talk water savings. This WaterSense certified toilet features a 1.28 gallon flush, which means you'll save about $100 a year on your water bill compared to an older 3.5 gallon toilet. Another great feature of the Santa Rosa toilet is comfort height seating. Kohler Comfort Height toilets are about the height of a standard chair, making it much easier to sit and stand. At Kohler, we build the finest toilets you can buy. No matter which you choose, Kohler toilets are engineered to save water without sacrificing performance, and they're built to last for years to come. Hi guys, I'm Mike Marbach with Kohler, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the Kohler Cimarron toilet. Now what's great about this toilet is that it gives you everything you need, plus a couple of unique features you won't find with other models. First, the Cimarron offers a patented installation system called Dry Lock, which makes the toilet faster and easier to install. Another great feature about the Cimarron toilet is that it's comfort height. Comfort height means the toilet from the floor to the top of the seat is just over 17 inches, which is a little taller than a standard toilet and makes it easier for standing and sitting. Now rather than a standard flapper valve, the Cimarron features a canister flush valve. That valve inside the toilet is engineered to maximize water savings and flushing performance. The canister flush valve offers durable, flapperless design, giving you a powerful 360-degree flush every time. Just flush it once and forget it. The Cimarron is also a WaterSense certified model, which means that it uses only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's a 20% savings versus a standard 1.6 gallon toilet. But if you want to see even bigger savings, use Cimarron to replace older toilets that use 3.5 gallons. No matter which option you choose, all Kohler toilets are designed to maximize flushing power, save water, and clean the bowl. And the best part, they're built to last for years to come.
The perfect balance of art and technology. The sleek look of sophistication. Tomorrow's comforts are here today. With refined curves and a stunning form, Vail is state-of-the-art performance sculpted for the ultimate comfort. One-touch control of cleansing features. A seat cover that automatically opens and closes with adjustable sensing distance. The ergonomic French curve seat is shaped for comfort. The front wash cleanses gently with air-infused water using 78 fine nozzles. Pulsating wash cleanses and massages. And spiral spray wash effectively cleanses a broad area. Sterilized water disinfects the nozzle after each use. An automatic UV light sanitizes the nozzle every 24 hours. Warm air drying maintains cleanliness and comfort. And the automatic deodorizer keeps your bathroom fresh. All-round powerful flushing combines with a rimless bowl for optimal hygiene. Double jets siphon efficiently and powerfully to clean completely. For a cleaner look and even more space, Vail also comes in a wall-mounted model. All the form and function of the Vail, with the water tank hidden away in the wall. With 3 different models to suit your design needs. Kohler Vail, when technology meets art.
At TOTO, flushing technology is a serious science. Quality assurance is foremost. TOTO's series of performance tests are the most rigorous in the plumbing industry. TOTO tests and retests, using more than 10 evaluations in fact, to validate flushing technologies. To ensure reliable performance, TOTO's stringent testing standards imitate real-life scenarios. TOTO conducts many liquid tests, including one with 500 milliliters of dyed liquid, 150 milliliters more than in common bathroom breaks. TOTO understands that accurate testing must recreate normal conditions. This means a fully restored water level in the bowl, plus the waste you add. In test after test, TOTO's Ultramax 2 with double cyclone technology removes all liquid waste every time, using only 1.28 gallons per flush. That's high efficiency plus performance. Yet a balanced high efficiency toilet must clean the bowl and rim as well as flush media. A toilet paper test ensures complete bowl cleansing and paper removal, while the ink line test proves that the flush consistently and completely removes rim debris. TOTO's high-efficiency toilets perform the best because we have the best testing practices. TOTO is proud of our high-efficiency, high-performance 1.28 gallon per flush toilets and water conservation. And as consumers, you should accept no substitutes.